Octopuses are the ocean's most extraordinary survivors, boasting 3 hearts and blue blood, a combination that sounds straight out of a science fiction novel. These remarkable creatures have evolved this unique physiology to thrive in the deep, dark waters where few can endure. The trio of hearts works tirelessly, with 2 pumping blood to the gills for oxygen uptake and the 3rd ensuring circulation to the rest of the body, while their copper-based blue blood excels at transporting oxygen in low-temperature, low-oxygen environments. This adaptation not only allows them to live where others can't but also fuels their intelligence and agility, making them master escape artists and problem solvers. Dive deeper into the mysteries of these incredible beings and discover how evolution has crafted a perfect blueprint for survival in one of Earth's most unforgiving habitats.